Hey guys, so one of the really easy strategies that I've been showing a lot of my students, especially those that are, still learning how to trade and really need a really nice setup that makes them be patient, um, is this right here. This line in the middle is red. So you can ignore this beautiful long here, ignore this long here, and just take the beautiful short. Short here, short here. Look how many points this is. And look how easy it is. And you can ignore all of the longs because the line's red and you just stay on one side of the market. How many of you are looking for, over 100 points a day? I mean, this is an easy way to get it. So what's the instruction? Line's red, so just wait for price to hit this and take the short. It hits this area when the candles are white. When the candles are white, you're not allowed to trade. When the candles are white, you're not allowed to trade. You wait for them to no longer be white. There you go. And you take the trade. So that's your only filter. As long as the candles are not white, you can take it. This one, it just misses it. If you wanted to take it, I wouldn't be mad. Here you go. Candles are white here, so just wait. Now they're no longer white. Now you take it. Okay. If you took it right here, yes, you would take a loss. That's okay. We're going to have losing trades. There we go. Boom. I mean, shoo! Look how many points this is. Really easy setup to follow. Clips here, and the candles are white. Wait for the white to click off. There you go. Boom. And I mean, you could hold it if you want to. Boom. Jeez. Woof. Really easy setup to follow. You have to ignore all of the points you're missing out on retracements, on playing against the trend and going long. You have to, don't take those. These are the trades to take. And let's say you get in this trade. It goes in your favor by a couple points and then it goes against you. Just get out of the trade. As soon as it makes a new high, get out. Take the small loss. It makes a new high. It's inside the red reversal. The candles are gray. They're not white. Take the short again. Boom. So the key is your winners are much longer. You stay in them longer. They're greater as far as points won. And then for your small losses that you can experience, that's the key. They're small losses. You have the discipline to exit the trade when the market's doing something that you don't want it to do. It's just real easy. Trading doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be hard. And you know what? Let me back it up. The entry, the plan of trading and the entry of trading doesn't need to be hard, because trading in itself is already hard because of all of the money involved and the emotions on the table. That's what's hard. We don't need to make the entry part hard. We can have an easy strategy. You can take a small loss here. It's okay, because then you're going to get a huge win. I mean, you have to be okay with losing. It's easier said than done. You have to be okay with giving the market some of your money, because that's the trade-off. It's not nothing is a guaranteed win, period. And I know everybody says they understand that, but when you had 3 losses in a row, all of a sudden it makes you scared. So make sure you enter with only the amount of money you're willing to lose, and make sure you're willing to lose it. Don't stay in a trade that you're red in because you think it's going to come back in your favor. Get out of the trade and enjoy this. Bam! I mean, it's over 50 points. 40 points? There you go. Here's another one, over 100 points. Please let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you guys find some value in this video. Have a great day.